So we're not here to waste your time. This is DRC's super fast rally car. Rally, off-grid, dirt track racing. I mean, whatever you want to race this on, this thing can do it. We're going to show you and jump right into the action. Easy remove pins by pulling here. You have an awesome light bar right on here. Lights right on here as well. This thing is cool. Takes 3 AA batteries for the remote. Let's go ahead and jump right to the app. So this is a lot of fun, guys. It can go fast forward and reverse. This thing is 4-wheel drive as well. Comes with 2 batteries. Looks like our battery's getting, yep, our battery is about done. So you could go very far with this as well. This thing is just a blast. Takes a beating as well.